In this video, we're going to be discussing rational exponents. We'll start with 2x to the power of a half times 4 to the x to the power of minus a half. What do you notice? You've got a common factor of 2. So basically it means you're saying 2 times 4, then times x, which is your variable, and then you add or subtract your exponents. In this case, there's a negative sign, so you put a negative in front of the second half. So you get your first half from your first x, and your second negative half from your second x. Like so. As you can see, I'm marking it so you can clearly see what's happening. All of the same variables, but now you can group them. Right, so let's move on. 2 times 4 is 8, and x to the half minus half means x to the naught. Therefore, your answer is 8. Easy game. Let's do the next one. We've got 0,008 to the power of a third. This is exactly the same as this cube root of 0.008. So let's get it started. We say 8 over 1,000, which is exactly the same. And we say to the power of a third. This is just to reiterate, you've got 8 over 1,000 is 0.008. We say 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. And then 1,000 is 10 to the power of 3. And I'll show you now how to work that out. For 8, we need to find our prime factors. We say 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. Now, as you can see, there are 3 2's, which means you'll have 2 to the power of 3. And that's exactly how we managed to get the 2 to the power of 3 from the 8. Now let's do the same for 1,000. We take 1,000 and we say divided by 10. We divide by 10, we get 100. Again, by 10, we get 10. And from 10, we get 1. This is very simple. That's 10 cubed. As you can see, there are 3 10s. And then we mark it as 10 cubed. Let's not forget that we've got a third as our power. So let's put our third back in. And now we say we've got 2 to the power of 3 times by a third, because that's your exponents rule. When you have an exponent to the power of an exponent, you multiply your exponents together. Here we do it again for 10 to the power of 3 times by a third. And this will leave us with 2 to the power of 1 and 10 to the power of 1. Simply put, we have 2 over 10, and we now have 1 over 5. Easy game.